And this is just as well because we can be sure that, however many troubles and difficulties we may have in our lives, it is still much more comfortable to be ourselves than to be another person, full stop. It would be very strange indeed to get up one day and find everything changed, to see everything with different eyes, to feel everything with different hands, to think with a different mind, and to have a different store of thoughts and memories, full stop. The most serious of the changes would probably be to find ourselves thinking with a different mind, full stop. If we have always believed in telling the truth and in being kind to others, we could find little pleasure in the mind of a person who believed in reaching his or her own end regardless of truth or kindness, full stop. If we have always looked at the world with eyes that have found nature beautiful and wonderful, it would be hard to find ourselves without a moment in which to interest ourselves in the daily movement and change round about us, full stop. Even less pleasing is the idea of the loss of our own memories, full stop. All the things, all the people and events we have loved in the past, would be lost to us, and we should find in our minds in place of them another set of memories of people and events, and they would certainly be of a different order from our own, full stop. Para. Of course, you will say that these things would not really matter because if we became another person, we should think and act as that person, and we should like it, having no memory at all of our old selves, full stop. That, no doubt, is true, but the important point is that in wanting to be that other person, we should have to take all the other changes as well, full stop. We could not just have the good looks or the money or the good opinion of the world, full stop. It would be all or nothing, and our personality would be lost to us, full stop. In its place would be another and quite different personality, full stop. Para. It seems a great comfort, therefore, to know that we shall never have the opportunity to make such a change, full stop. We shall go on just being ourselves, full stop.